Brother, excuse me.
How are you? How are you?
Fine, brother.
This is your pimple. It never goes every time. How are you?
Fine, brother. Brother. Brother, there's something I wanted to discuss with you about.
Now?
Yes, brother.
Brother,
don't be angry. You know, you're like an elder brother that I don't have. To me, I don't know the kind of business you do, but would you hear Ken complaining to me that you've not been coming home? But is it true?
Finish your statement now. Have you not come to investigate me? Finish it. Are you guilty or not guilty? Ask me.
But it's
lawyer.
Not like that.
Rubbish. If I don't come back home, it is because the nature of my work does not require that I come back home every time. You have a problem with that?
No, brother.
I know your friend would rather I sit back at home here every day. I do, doing nothing. Yet, when I'm not able to feed her, she will be the first person to...
Don't feed me, brother. Brother, don't feed me. But I don't like the way the people are talking bad about you.
I knew it. I knew that this was going somewhere. Yes, I knew it. So the people in this community now do not have anything else to do other than to gossip with my name. And you, with the large ear, you go about satellite dish collecting the gossip. My dear, the nature of my work is very simple. Our work is to go about, you know, these people who want to build on new plots. Yes. So we collect the building levy, new building levy from them.
Yes.
On behalf of the community, on behalf of us, we collect our own is to collect the levy. Is that what Uju does not like?
Uju? But there's nothing wrong with that. Shut up. Shut up and keep quiet. Yeah. Yeah.
We never reach court. You're already quarreling with your lawyer. If you don't get that, if this hand comes back, no problem. Go to the office.
Brother, bye-bye.
You. Every time you say people are gossiping with my name, yet you are the one carrying my name up and down. You. If I don't find anyone to marry you, I will tie your hands, tie your legs, and throw you out of this compound. Idiot, you're not ashamed. The only goat that showed interest in you, at the last minute, he ran away. You're here.
But there's nothing wrong with that, eh? I see nothing wrong with that now.
What? This one you are heading this way. Where are you going to?
I'm going to your house. I mean, you can always say, where else? This is your house. That should tell you that I was coming to your house.
I hope all is well.
Oh, no, there's no problem. But it's not something that we can discuss outside. Yes.
Okay. Let's walk that one. Oh, dear. Oh, my God. Onyabo, you're welcome. Dikeh Onojie. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. First of all, let me invite you officially to the marriage ceremony of my daughter, Ifeoma.
Okay.
They will soon come for the first rite, marriage rite. So, and I would like people like you to be there, to grace the occasion.
This is original Oyibo wine.
Oh, you can see it. Not for everybody, for people like you.
Thank you so much. I'll be there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I can always trust you to Ozodike Ibiamado. You see, this program that I cultivated, and God gave me to eke out my living. The way I see it, Igwe is trying to put spanner in my works. These taxes, levies that will go for those that we collect from those people who want to come and build is a normal thing. There is no, in other developed communities, people collect these things. You want to get a land, if one you to know, pay these things.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
I don't know why Igwe is trying to block my own. I don't know. So I want your support and support also other people like you.
You are right. But I think what Igwe is trying to do is to use that money to develop the community. At least help the poor widows and the youths.
Mado, that is not what Igwe is trying to do. Igwe is just trying to plug the hole where we will, through which we can reap good things. Igwe just wants to block it because he doesn't want anybody to be bigger than him or to gain what he is gaining. When Igwe is gone, Igwe himself gets gifts from people, even from people outside this community. They give Igwe gifts on behalf of the community. Does he bring it out? He does not. Igwe, look at Igwe's backyard. It's like a ranch. Do you think they give it on personal basis? No, it's for this community. Igwe doesn't want to help anybody, and he doesn't want anybody to come up. Look at your house. It needs repairs. My own needs repairs. All the seats are old. It's just the thing I bought, a long time ago. Yet you come to Igwe's place, he's going to oversee and coming back, as if there's a special route bridge they built from his compound. But there is no but. Mado. Let us open let us open our eyes. You understand what I'm saying? Any place that goodies are coming from, the people in the higher channel will not allow me to take it alone. They don't want to. They are straight with it. Can you do that? More will come. Sleep over these things. You will see what you tell me tomorrow. Mado, why are you shouting? This is change.
For me alone. No, you have my support. You have every support you need from me. Okay.
Yes.
And we will keep in touch even before my in-laws start coming.
No, there's no problem.
I will let you know.
Bye bye.
Manaloqua, think about that thing I told you. How do you go? You go to Pokolo.
Hello? What is it? I'm fine.
You're not fine.
Where is your mom?
She's fine.
Where are you?
Mama.
I want to see you right in my house right away.
Okay. I'll be on my way.
Admission letter to police force. You passed the entrance examination.
Yes.
So, why are you crying?
Would you? My mother's sickness has taken all my savings. I don't know what to do. My uncle doesn't even bother about us. Would you? I don't know who to run to.
How much do you need for the registration?
Everything is 33,000 naira. I don't know where to get that kind of money from.
Okay. Okay. I'll give you the money. Maybe I'll go and withdraw the money I have in my account.
Uju, thank you. Uju, thank you so much. God bless you.
Promise me one thing. That when you walk, you're going to pay me back.
Uju, I will. Uju, thank you. Thank you so much. Uju, God bless you.
Don't worry. First thing tomorrow morning, we head to the city.
Thank you.
I'll withdraw the money I give you.
Thank you.
It's okay. Wipe your tears.
Thank you so much, Uju. God bless you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. Mama, I should be on my way now.
Oh, Mama. God bless you, eh? God will protect you.
Amen, Mama, amen.
Go well.
Mama, don't worry, eh? Auntie Gloria will be coming to see you from time to time.
I'll be coming also to see Mama.
Uji will be coming to stay.
Okay. Bye-bye. Let's go. You know Lagos is far.
Mama, please take care of yourself for me, eh?
Let's go. Lagos is far.
Mama, bye-bye.
Bye, Mama.
Take care, Mama.
God bless you. God will guide you. Love you, Mama. Bye-bye.
Why are you wasting time with this girl? Make me waste time.
I know say something must be for this town. It's alright.
See,
Uta must hear her.
we go must reach the end of this matter. This one no be say whether this thing. You see, for this town, no be say one person say this, we go scatter everywhere. This village. Which Arab is this one? Chairman, see this one. I don't look anybody face, so we go scatter everywhere.
It's alright.
Chairman, the time you make it up like say.
Relax. Okay. No more.
We go wipe our chairs. It's okay,
It's alright. Take heart. You're a man. You're a man. It's okay.
Don't swap. Be a man. Be a man. Take heart.
Whatever must hear her. It's alright. It's alright.
Let them bring your cracks with any of us. I didn't see you when I was here. Ain't for my one. Oh, yeah. Two boys and don't you listen. Two boys and don't you listen. Two boys and don't you listen. Oh, no, I didn't know.
even though I am not supposed to be performing this function, being the person who is directly involved. He was supposed to be, Ichiemenike is not here, he's the eldest in my family. Okay. He should be doing this, as a matter of fact. But, well, the onus are falling on me. Board, okay? If I'm on one, I want you to have this very drink. We locate the person that you, before all of us begin to drink, you have to locate the person so that we will know exactly whether we are to continue taking the wine or whether we should reject it. If you give it to the person so that we will even know the person who is supposed to be our in-laws. Bo. All right, look for your husband.
Oh, yeah.
Our in-law, we have now know who our in-law is. Yes. Major Frank. And instead of palm wine on this cup, he has filled it with palm naira. So we have now known everybody will drink. This ceremony will not end until tomorrow. Yes. We are going to do it day and night. Azulezu. My in-law, we have given you our daughter. As the husband, just over band here, We give you all the authority. I don't want them to stand here for a very long time. So that we can rejoice in their dancing. In fact, if I want to leave that they are calling me my phone. Oh, my in-law. Hello, Aspirin the call. Major. Yes, okay. It's all right. No problem. Now, you know, if there were to be any problem, your phone would have rang now. Yes? Any problem, your phone will ring. So there's no problem now. Well, it's all right. So how is my beautiful daughter? No. We are just coming back from a conference. myself and my friend. Yes, my friend is here and he would like to speak with you. Just to say hello. Okay.
Hello, in-law. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm fine. We're just coming back from a meeting. I want to say hi to our big in-law.
Yes.
Yes. My name is Onojie Akasa. Okay, thank you.
It's all right. No, yes, it's a yeah,
Bye-bye.
yes. Well, it's all right. We're oh God, it's okay, no problems. Huh? I got with you.
Boy. Hello. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Please, I'm looking for one Miss Evelyn Onyabo.
I hope all is well. Who are you?
I'm from Ifix Courier Services. Someone sent her a parcel through our office.
Okay. She has gone out and I'm her mother.
Alright. As soon as she receives it, she will know the sender.
Oh.
Please, you got to sign here.
Oh. Hey.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
So how we go and make it pretty.
You know, your father,
Yeah.
he must be a gentleman. Yes, he called me and I like the way he was telling me on the phone.
Well, that's considering about all the problems he used to give us.
What kind of problems?
You know, problems like, let me see. Like, you must not stay out late, you must read your books. And then even when he asks him for money, you have to give him like an entire question of what you want to do with the money. You know, strange stuff like that. I don't know.
I can imagine. But all the same, I love him. And that is how a father should be. He has similar qualities to my late father.
He does. So I see that's why you love him. I'm sorry.
I love him. I think he's a nice man.
Oh well. You don't know.
Hey, me. This is the gift. The parcel they brought for you.
Hey!
Who sent it?
Mama, give me. Who else if not Danny?
Open it now.
Mama, leave me. I'll open it when I want.
Open it. Let me see what is inside.
Mama, leave me alone now. It's my gift. I'll open it when I want.
Open it now. If I had wanted to open it, I would have opened it since.
But Mama, it's my own. I'll open it when I want.
Mama, peasant, kaifo. Open it.
Mama. See what you bought this.
Hey, this is beautiful. Are you sure this one is not for me?
Mama, give me my own.
Mama, bring out the rest.
Mama.
How was that?
Hey, this is beautiful. Hey, Mama, see this one. Mama, see this thing goes in my dress like this.
Are you sure this is not for me?
Mama.
Neziano.
Mama, give me.
Hey.
Please give me my name. It's my own. That is I should give you anyone.
Yeah, bring the rest out.
Hey!
We'll put that back.
Mama, calm down now. I don't get it, baby. Why do you need 3 refrigerator fans? Like, drinks, is that not like a little bit too much?
You have no idea what I have in stock.
That's like 20 drinks.
I have it all worked out. Don't worry.
Okay. I'll get that one too. There you go, baby.
Thank you. So put it down. 3 refrigerator bags.
Okay, and babes.
Yeah.
Can I ask for a favor?
Go ahead.
Can we have like one of very famous Nigerian artists come and perform for us? Can we?
Okay. I think that's okay.
Yep.
That's all right. Which one?
Like like the very top ones, like the Banj, Two-Face, P-Square.
That solves it. Two-Face.
Two-Face?
Yep. Two-Baba.
Two-Face it is.
Put it down. Then in addition to that, I'll also want the military band to perform.
Military band.
Military band.
Military band. But babes, it's not a warfare. Why are we having them?
Come on.
It's going to be boring.
You think that's all we do? Like wars and parades and all that? Of course we do much more than that. We have a very good band.
Music?
Yes, music. Good military band.
Okay.
So put it down. Then all the service chiefs will be present. I've made arrangements for that.
Okay.
I'm also inviting all the members of the house, both upper and lower chambers.
Babes, you'll be spending too much on this wedding.
Yes, because you deserve it.
I love you, Joe. Alrighty, I'm gonna put it down.
Okay, yes, and the best spiritual leaders will be there to officiate.
Okay.
And that reminds me, who will be your chief bridesmaid?
Sophia, of course.
Sophia, okay.
Great, some gloss. Okay. And
okay, what else?
The food is back down.
You're taking the food, right?
Back down, baby.
If you're in-law na millionaire, you be millionaire. If you're in-law na governor, in Africa. If you're in-law na soldier, you be soldier. If you're keep on if you're in-law na mechanic, free service. If you're in-law na hunter, you gonna chop a meat. If you're in-law na major, you be major. Military connection, hey. If you're in-law na millionaire, you be millionaire. If you're in-law na governor, in Africa. If you're in-law na soldier, you be soldier. If you're
You're welcome. Hey, I'm happy to see you. No, please come in. Double. Yeah, please come inside. Yeah, go down. Hey, you're welcome.
As we dey pray to God every day, na so He dey answer in many ways. If He no give you your blessing direct, you go give am somebody where you and am relate. If one day governor, so na government, all go nye soldier. If you're in-law na
You come again. You're welcome. You're welcome. Major society.
I came back yesterday. I was told that your sister was killed.
Ask her, Your Highness.
Did she have problem with anybody? Uju? Uju have problem with anybody? Ha. Who doesn't know Uju? She was a very peaceful girl. Everybody liked her. If anybody had problems with anybody, I was the one. Joko and his boys once threatened to stab me to death. So I am not surprised that finding me impossible to touch, they now carried out this act of vendetta against my younger sister. An innocent girl. Igwe.
Igwe, the one who got you and so on.
Why? I want nothing. We have problem with them. Except that those boys, criminals, constituted themselves against the already constituted authority in this community. Given the license to collect levies, they were stopping our boys from doing their normal duties.
And I said, no, that cannot happen. That was what they wanted to kill me for, Igwe. Now they have killed my sister. Igwe, I am very sure that now you can see where Uju's death came from.
I know it. This thing Onyabo has set up will bring separation among our youths.
Your Highness, Igwe, if some criminals have committed a crime, I think we should investigate them and punish them rather than tying it to Onyabo or his idea. Onyabo or his idea has nothing to do with what is on ground. Igwe, please, with due respect.
Abufo, calm down. We shall do something about it.
Whatever anybody is going to do, do it fast. Do it fast. Do it fast! Don't worry. We will investigate it. It's important. Because if we allow everybody to use weapons the way he likes, I'm sure I'll not be the odd man out. Anyway, I see. Oh, Igwe, no problem. Your Highness, no problem. I'll go. I'll go. Joko, don't worry. If you want to fight me, come and fight me.
Igwe, Ndoma no Kochuku, Ewanso.
Igwe, I don't know why you still allow Onyabo to collect money from people when he has not accounted for the ones that he has collected.
Sisi, I am a patient man. I allow people to fool themselves, thinking that they are wise. I am still the king.
Igwe, we have a lot of things to do with money in this community. Since the entire cabinet has agreed that the initiative by Onyabo is okay, we have also agreed that it should be restructured for accountability. Come to think of it, Igwe, Onyabo himself has not done any good for this community. Not at all. He has not contributed Faden. He has not contributed anything good to this community. At the end of the day, I am sure he will not make that account. This thing should be restructured now and given to more credible people. More, you know what I mean?
You know one thing? A woman who does not want any embarrassment while cooking will make sure that she does not buy any of her food items on credit. As for him leaving, he will expose himself.
Igwe, you don't understand. You don't know Onyabo. All right.
God, you look so good and so beautiful. Come here, girl. I miss you so much. Come on.
Oh my goodness, how are you? How is America? Tell me everything. Your man, how is he doing?
So which would I answer first? Anyway, just tell me. Fine. My man is so cool, and as for the weather, it's so cool.
I know, but you know, I hope you have stuff ready for my wedding. You're my chief bridesmaid.
I bought a lot of.
You know that, right?
See guys, sometimes out of anger, we do a lot of mistakes. I know say you been fight with the brother, but no be the thing we go make you go kill your sister.
Calm down now.
I don't like that thing, my
easy now.
Eh?
Waiting be around. Calm down. I know say you are right. But remember say in brother they claim say he be commando. Bros, make I tell you, we never even get through with them.
But they still do the job, she?
Yes, they are doing it. But I believe Igwe and his cabinet members, they are trying to stop them. Even the entire villagers know say what they are doing is illegal. Why are you bothering?
Sorry. Because I know they. That's why I go kill this girl, she. Eh? Because I know they.
She? Now imagine.
Yeah?
Bros, why are you so much concerned? Remember, all die be die.
All die and I die.
Yes.
Because no be your sister, she.
I said, keep quiet. Keep quiet. You can't say you know day. If you can't do, waiting will happen. You know day.
Joko, make I tell you, that thing when I do no good. You no good.
Bros, you won't fight.
Va. He did tap me. He tap me.
What you go do?
Joko,
what you go do?
Me.
What you go do?
Va. They tap me. Va, they tap me.
See me, want this guy you. This thing when I do, I don't like him at all. Make I tell you now. I don't like him.
Discharging, a very.
Daga, no cut. No enter bush now. Leave this John me there. The Jones is said.
Nah, I tire for you.
Cause you know day.
I tire for you, Va. You are named Nava. I know.
Because you know day.
Sorry.
Wow, Mama. What did happen now? Which one be this one? You just sit down for here. You don't even know say rain they fall. Wow, Bufo. What did happen now? See as you do face like person who wins beat for night. What be the problem? What you think again?
Lazarus. Eh? You don't ever lose someone very dear to you. Maybe your sister or your brother.
Now this thing you still think. Eh? See, make I tell you something. You see, anything will happen to man for this life, nobody say God no know. God know. And nobody say just free you like that, make it happen to you. Sometimes they try make it happen to you, make him teach you lesson. You don't understand? Now what kind of lesson be that? I beg, I take go beg you. Try to forget these things small. You don't get me? You forget them small. Sorry, my brother. Nah, stand up, make we go now. Come on, Mama.
Someone had the guts. Someone had the mind to kill me.
See, no worry, Just try come out for your mind. I know say you know if you forget like that, but small, you will forget. Stand up, me will go office now. And now you everywhere they wait for offices. You know you go come office, you go sit down for here, they do like this. See. Sorry. See, they happen like this at times. I beg. Small. If you sit down like this, now think you could think. Make you come out, Make you go office. Small, you could forget that. One mama. Oh, yeah, stand up. Make you go. Stand up now. You don't do. Make you go. Correct, man. Don't go. I'm not saying it's very painful, but you just take style here and like that.
Marcamo.
Oya Bodike.
Marcamo.
Oya Bodike.
Marcamo.
Oya Bodike.
The general Oyabo. I hear you. Oh, what
How
are you behaving? I'm fine, I'm hailing. I went to your house. And they say you were here. Man on the air. Okay, what are you doing? Bro, no, dear. Ego boo. Ego do not pass. Ego do not sha. Come. What? Which one do you take? Come, madam, come. Now, yes, so I'm coming, don't worry. Bring 3 more of this one. Huh? Yeah, you don't come on, I'm too forever. Bring start for him. Bring this one again. Bring 3 stouts for him. Bring 3 beer for him. Kevin and Onojie.
You are taking small set and small.
Bring 3 again for them there.
Bang in your room open all
for him. I'm lawyer, sir. I hear you.
I don't know.
Then I want to go and call Akubo. Well, I'm taking you to the place and I know I discuss with you. But come, madam. Calculate this one 3, and then 2. The other side.
The total amount is 1,000.
How much?
The total amount is 1,000.
Only?
Yes, sir.
Adrian.
Come on, tell for you.
I am anyone that eats, if there is any change, supply them more drink. Then them for you. Let me see the.
Them for you, my chairman.
I go near. Down. What's the scene? I'm coming back now.
I am waiting. If you don't come fast, I will eat more. Okay, good.
That was the start of the guy. That's it. I was telling you. Start for me. Start.
This man has been spending money like a fool since he started collecting money from those building houses in this village.
Really? What do you mean?
Since he started collecting money from those people building houses in this village, he has been spending the money recklessly.
Please, mind the way you talk to him. He is my customer. Excuse me, madam. Please. If this is your first, let it be the last time you speak to my boyfriend like that, okay? Please, he's your customer after all, and they should be your priority. Please don't try it again, please. Sorry, ma.
Sit. I should sit. All right, thank you, Igwe. Igwe, and fellow members of Igwe Council, I am here a very happy man. It is said that when a human being is growing up, particularly when a man is growing, if he prays for good things to follow his way, good things will definitely come his way. You pray for favor to meet you at all times in your life, it comes. And Igwe, members of Igwe Council, I think I prayed for favor and favor is coming my way. God normally answers depending on the distance you have from God. Some of us who pray to God standing, God meets up before meeting people who are lying down. That is why we get all the prayers before those who are kneeling down and lying down. So I thank God for doing that for me. Igwe, like I indicated to some of you earlier, this foreign wine is brought by our in-law to be Major. Let me end it there because there might be other things attached to his name. Can I make a mistake? So, you know, he normally goes for this foreign mission, peacekeeping mission, and he is intelligence, Army, Nigerian Armed Forces Intelligence Major. He's equal to any president in other African countries. So he says I should give you this and an invitation for you people to come to the wedding between him and my daughter. Oh, am I saying my daughter? Our daughter, because the blessing has spread. So everyone should come. Don't bring anything. Don't contribute anything. Just dress in your best regalia. Your kwakolofota. That is the ultimate. Where it come out. I have cars that will convey people to the venue. So if you come to my place, we will convey you to the venue. For those of you, I have assorted kinds of cars. The ones that will have air condition, we have one that's the bus. We even have tipper. For those people who like to have fresh air so much, we will convey them with tipper. But not everybody is going to enter into the air conditioned. You can kukwabo, so that somebody doesn't go to die inside an air conditioned car. So we are there ready for you. You can come there, drink yourself silly, eat copiously. We are equal to the task. The invitation, they have already seen the invitation. The one here. How many measure?
Oh yeah, ma'am. You have spoken well.
Thank you.
We shall have a meeting on that later.
Meeting? It's a meeting. Yeah? Why are you going to have a meeting on my own? Is my own different? When your daughter got married, you only presented us with the invitation and we all attended. Did you have any other meeting? I just came here, presented you this foreign wine. I told you that a major, that this thing has never happened in this community. A major of Nigerian Armed Forces is coming to marry our daughter. And you're saying we're going to make a meeting. What kind of meeting are we holding? Again.
Shut up! Shut up and sit down! Shut up and sit down!
Is your daughter married to a military president, an admiral, or a field marshal? Is it not just a major? The Igwe has said that we will have a meeting over it and take a decision, and that is final. You cannot force us to attend your daughter's wedding. You cannot. Sit down.
OCC. You people may not know the suffix on that very OCC or the prefix. When I go OCC Bolonko. So, no talk for OCC Bolonko. Then what I'm thinking, OCC Dundo, I can talk. OCC Bolonko, mba.
Onyapo, you've really changed since you have a military man as an in-law. Yes. You are part of this cabinet. I will be having meeting together peacefully. Anyway, we've seen your invitation. We will drink and talk over it.
For the first time in the life of this cabinet. Thank you for addressing me at least soberly. Quite unlike the person who was howling or backing. But I want to assure you, you say I have changed. I am supposed to change. Igwe, he who does not change to changing circumstances soon becomes a mental has-been. If an other come in a one way, I am an in-law to Nigerian Armed Forces Intelligence Major. I don't know why we are even prolonging this very matter. I have said my own bit, and where will we be? Okay, hello, Esprit de Corps. No complaints, sir. Yes, Major. Yes, Major. I am here with Igwe and the members of the cabinet. What else do we talk? He's talking about your wedding and my daughter's wedding, which the two of you become one. No, I'm talking. They are very anxious. Some of them are even opening their brown teeth because of the anxiety of what they are going to eat and drink. I will give you feedback. Okay, sir. Sure.
Look, Onyabo, you ought to have answered that call outside. Don't you know that this is a palace? And Igwe is sitting right here in front of all of us.
Why?
Chalon. There is service, full service for that matter. Look, an illiterate like you should ask us why the people in the, you should have gone to ask the people in the communication not to bring service in Igwe's palace because nobody makes call from there. Well, let me tell you, as somebody who is well informed, if there is service anywhere, you can make call there. Oh. You can make call there because Oyibo who brought this thing knows where the extent where it goes. In any case, why is everybody frowning? Because my daughter is getting married. It is not I'm not to be blamed. People should be happy because I asked you to come and drink and eat free of charge. As moon will go. So why are all of you frowning? But you are here attacking me. Because when the people finish whatever this, you come. For those who will come,
go. We have to go. I will meet you at the end of
yes, go. If you take that thing, you vomit it. Look at you. The one if I hop on Niger.
I will see you at the end. Igwe, Onyema doesn't respect this man as why is this? Imagine the impunity.
There was nothing wrong he did. As I recall, it's not offensive.
Just take a look at this.
If you're in-law na governor, in Africa, if you're in-law na soldier, you be soldier. If you're keep on if you're in-law na mechanic, free service. If you're in-law na hunter, you gonna chop a meat. If you're in-law na major, you be major. Military connection, if you're in-law na millionaire, you be millionaire. If you're in-law na governor, in Africa, if you're in-law na soldier, you be soldier. If you're keep on if you're in-law na mechanic,
Are you back? No.
Nanyo, I'm just coming back from the women's meeting, and I don't like one of the agenda of the meeting.
And which agenda don't you like?
You and your so-called tax force collecting money for Egwani, particularly the women's levy.
They were discussing it in your meeting?
Yes.
And what did you tell them?
They were particular about the women's levy. Nani, are you collecting women's levy?
Can you say, am I? The office collects money from them, issued them with receipts. Did they tell you that they were issued with receipts? Agwari?
Hey. Nai, they said you and your boys will give an account to them.
Oh, to the women panel of inquiry. Don't worry, when you come, we'll answer you.
Nai, how can you be collecting women's levy? Are you a woman?
Am I not a woman in this house? Have you not satisfied me enough for me to become a Nenwa and you become the landlord?
Oh, you're a woman in this house. Just listen to yourself. Everywhere you go, people are talking about you. That you're collecting money for this, you're collecting money for that. Now you're collecting women's levy.
Grace, you should rejoice. Your husband is popular. That's why people talk about him everywhere. Instead of rejoicing, you are now turning the thing to quarrel. Okay.
My husband is popular.
Yes.
In a negative way.
By whose standard?
In a negative way.
Who judges me to know which one is negative and which one is positive?
Just listen to yourself and go outside there and hear what they are saying about you.
Why will I go outside and listen to what they are saying? With all this your size, women are talking, brandishing all this nonsense gossip about your husband, and you just left them. Wouldn't you have slapped one person and they will all shut up? I haven't even finished collecting money, because I will soon collect children's money to tell them I'm a child too. If you continue to drag me below, I will even turn to domestic animal and collect ego okoko. Because that's what you are doing to me in this house.
Mama, please. Yes,
Just be careful. Hey, Adam Namayo. Hey, no problem. Who owns this one? For me. Come on, give me here.
Haba. Mama.
You take that one. No one.
Haba.
When are you traveling?
A day to the wedding.
What will you be doing? That you will go and help your sister organize her wedding?
Mama, it has not got before you start shouting on me yet.
What will you still be doing? That is my question.
Mama, you go. What are you still doing here?
My in-law said, I'll be going with your replay.
And you want me to go by road eh?
Are you the mother?
Are you the baby sister? I am the baby sister. So I have to go with the aeroplane.
Because I'm going.
Mama is so I'm going.
That will not.
Bam, bam, bam. Onyabo.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Grace. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Where's the husband?
Oh, he has gone out.
Okay. If he comes back, I just came to see if he has traveled.
Okay, no.
When he comes back, tell him that I came.
I'll tell him.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
As we dey pray to God every day, na so He dey answer in many ways. If He no give you your blessing direct, you go give am somebody where you and am relate. If one day governor, so na government, all go yes soldier.
Hey, Adam wine. Evelyn.
I'm fine, welcome.
Ada, this is where you live.
Yes, Papa.
Nekwa. Huh? Okay,
Congratulations.
Thank you, Mama. My kitchen, big kitchen.
So this is where my in-law stays.
Yes, Papa.
This is wonderful. The stickers.
Papa, let's go.
Hey! I'm happy. Why?
We're just.
You enjoy yourself?
Yes.
Who will live in this kind of house and will not enjoy herself?
Papa, let's go.
Chineke.
You gotta chop a meat. If you're in-law na major, you be major. Military connection. If you're in-law na millionaire, you be millionaire.
So, Papa, this is your room. So you stay. And okay, your bag can be here. This is your wardrobe.
This is my wardrobe.
Yes, Papa. Yes,
Right.
Papa. And the bathroom is by your right over there. The door there. So.
The door there.
Oh yes, Papa, that door. I hope you like it.
I love it. I love it very, very much. Okay. Yes, you.
Yes, Papa.
Then let's go to the bathroom.
My in-law. I will need a very big portrait of you and your wife's wedding picture so that I can hang it in my house at the village.
No, you are even talking about the wedding. I'm attracted to this. You know, I told you before. If you can have one even larger than this, put it in front of my house so that they will know that my in-law is not a small man.
In-law, you want this one as well?
Oh, yes. So people will know that I'm not married to any man.
Okay, no problem at all. I'll make that possible.
Anybody who that to visit my blessing will fear. If the person is coming for a wrong thing, he'll be afraid first.
Come to my house this evening. Alright. Yes, I just called my photographer. He's coming this evening, and once he comes, he'll make as many copies as you want.
Okay, the photographer. Yes. So say this evening, when is he going to? You know, I'm leaving tomorrow morning. I will leave tomorrow morning. That was all about my bad.
Why do you want to hold out this? Don't you like Abuja? Oh, wait. Are you missing anything or anybody in the village?
Well, I miss my village generally. Well, Abuja is a good city. I would say I don't like it. But it's a new city. And it is good for new people like you. I and my wife should belong to the village.
Papa, please. Mama and Evelyn are going to stay back. You can go and take care of your house.
Oh, you want only me to go?
Papa.
So who's going to do the cooking?
Papa, I don't want to go back to that village.
Oh, you have divorced the village. You divorced wife. All right. So who is going to be doing the cooking for me?
Your wife now.
Don't you know how you cook? You follow him to go and cook for him.
I want to rest. Oh, you don't even want to go to? Don't worry. When I get back to the village, I will hire somebody or remarry.
You are married.
In-law, you are not going anywhere. Yes, I'm still enjoying your company. You are not going anywhere.
What?
Give me a second. Let me get something.
People are telling me of blood man. What is wrong with you going to the village? You people are now getting addicted to power because you see something from our people in this family. No, honestly, I would have loved to stay. But you know, as a member of Igbo Council, and a strong one at night, I would have said, okay, I'm about to leave. You know. But you know, in the village, they will assemble us together. So I had no option but to go. Left to that, I had my boss.
Talking about the cabinet members, I have a little package for them. Yes.
For cabinet members?
All of them. And the Igwe.
Huh? All of us? All of them. Left to you, you would not like to go. I know. I'm resting. Well, it's all right, rest. Ogo, I've given you my daughter. And then a little jar with my wife.
I'll take only this one.
That's all right.
Mama, I don't think it is from Major. Why? I want to remove these ones.
What about your owner?
Military tactics.
A social military officer like you?
This is the war. This is cool. You don't know. You have to.